Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. So first of all here, this is the LEGO Ideas Big Bang Theory set. This was one of the first sitcom-styled LEGO sets they ever did. Unfortunately, didn't really sell too well, so LEGO kind of was put off from making sitcom sets originally, but then they slowly realized that they definitely could be popular, but just geared towards a more adult audience. So this was certainly one of the first experiments. Obviously the highlight are the minifigures. Check out those exquisitely printed and dual molded legs, as well as all sorts of different expressions that really only appeared in this set. It's really cool just seeing all sorts of figure pieces I never would have gotten if I hadn't owned the set, and this also is jam-packed with all sorts of different printed details along the walls. Obviously, the build itself is definitely not the most refined. It is a very simple wall construction, and definitely nothing along the lines of the sitcom sets we get today, which typically are actually really well built. This one is definitely just one of the more simple builds because LEGO was still kind of figuring out what they were doing with LEGO Ideas, what they were doing with sitcom sets, but this definitely is one of the early stage builds that they did, and again, you can see that a lot of detail went into providing exclusive prints for the set, which are really interesting to see. Personally, I do not watch the show, so I do not know what many of these references are. The only ones I really get are the DC references like the Flash and Green Lantern, but it is still really nice to get all sorts of different exclusive prints to a model like this and complete my LEGO Ideas collection because now I am one step closer to having them all. I just need a few of the earliest ones and we will be all good. So definitely really nice to get this. Finally, it's been on my wish list for a while. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon.